Generally, for organizing contacts, there is a need to add additional data to them. We generally call it metadata that will be used to create groups and segments for better communication and campaigning. Tagging is one of the simplest methods to segment the contact list. Creating the tag is very simple. We can go to data. Here you can see the tags. Let's say initially I have 2 tags for professional and friends. Let's say I want to create more tags. For example, network. Optionally, I can choose the color so that it would be more highlighting and more easily visible. Clicking on add will add a new tag. Then let's choose school friend. Choosing the color to my school dress. So you can see we have added 2 tags over here. If you want to add these tags to a user, we can go to contact list. Clicking on this over here, you can say, okay, this is my into my network. This guy is, sorry, I've already added this, but let's say this guy is a school friend. This guy is in my professional network. So you can see the colors are aligned, and you can also add multiple tags to the same user. So similar to tags, we can also add sources from where we want leads to capture. If you go over here in the data, you can go to sources. Let's say I want to capture it from Facebook, add Instagram, add Google, add. So once you create this list, let's sync the metadata, and you can see over here, you will say, okay, these are the sources. After tags and sources, let's say you want to customize the lead form. You can come again to app settings, data, lead schema. Let's say you want to add a new field saying address, AWRASS of type text, submit, enable it, just update the metadata. Now when you go to audience and starts adding contact, you can see under here there is a company. Under the company there is an address field. Similarly, if you go to bulk import, you can see a new column has been added to capture the address. And if you come to people, let's say this guy, clicking over here, you can see we have address over here.